Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to record bills in Zoho Books. This is an essential task for keeping track of what you owe to vendors and ensuring your business expenses are properly documented and organized. First, open your web browser and navigate to zoho.com/books. Once you're on the page, log in using your username and password to access your Zoho Books account. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with your business account to ensure you're working with the correct financial data. After logging in, you'll land on the Zoho Books home screen. Direct your attention to the left side menu where you'll find various options for managing your finances. Look for the option labeled Purchases and click on it. This will expand a submenu with several choices. From this expanded menu, select Bills. This section is specifically designed for recording and managing all your vendor bills in one centralized location. You'll now be directed to the Bills page, which displays all your existing bills and their statuses. To add a new bill, click on the Create a Bill button. This takes you to the bill creation interface where you'll input all the necessary information. On the new bill creation page, start by filling in the essential fields at the top. Enter the vendor name so Zoho knows who you're paying. Add the bill number, which is typically provided by your vendor for reference. If applicable, include an order number to link this bill to a specific purchase order, then set the bill date to reflect when the bill was issued and the due date to track when payment is required. Finally, assign an accounts payable account to properly categorize this liability in your books. Scroll down and you'll see a subject line where you can add a brief description of what this bill is for. Below that is the item table section, which is where you detail exactly what you're being billed for. Select the appropriate account for each line item, then adjust the quantity and rate fields to match what's on your vendor's bill. This section also allows you to customize discounts and apply any relevant taxes to ensure accurate calculations. You can add your customer details here if needed, and if you have multiple items to record, simply click to add new item rows for each one. Once you've entered all your line items, move down to the Notes section where you can include any additional information or reminders about this bill. As you fill in the details, keep an eye on the subtotal that automatically calculates based on your entries. When you're satisfied that all the information is accurate and complete, click on Save as Open. This records the bill in your system and marks it as an outstanding payable that needs to be settled. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.